Welcome to myBYU, your personal gateway to your online BYU resources. Let's begin with a short overview of myBYU. After you've signed in to myBYU with your NetID and password, you'll notice that the myBYU page consists of 4 major parts. Apps, which are the small windows that contain information or services. Tabs, which are collections of apps. The banner area, which contains links that will take you directly to your latest personal notifications and your BYU account information. And the myBYU footer contains links to the BYU homepage and several myBYU help resources. Finally, the Customize button, which provides various ways you can customize myBYU to meet your needs. Now that you know how to navigate myBYU, let's take a few minutes to customize myBYU to truly make it yours. From here, you can add content, try different apps, and change the page layout, which offers a variety of column arrangements and spacings. By default, the myBYU Home tab appears with 3 columns, with the center column wider than the columns on either side, but you may want your columns laid out differently. To change the column layout to meet your needs, select the tab you wish to change. Let's choose 3 even columns. Now, let's explore apps. Want to see a larger view of an app? You can maximize any app by selecting the app title. To return to the tab view, select any tab name. To minimize the app, select the minimize icon on the right-hand corner of any app. To add an app, go back to Customize and choose Add Stuff. Here, you can browse by category. You'll see the corresponding individual apps in the right column, or search for a specific app by entering keywords into the search dialog box. Let's add an app from the Academics category. BYU Club seems like a good choice. You can either add the app to your page by clicking the Add button, or you can drag the app to the current tab by selecting the grabber on the left-hand side of the app description and dragging it to the desired location on the tab. You can also try an app by going to the Use It heading under Add Stuff. This will allow you to use the app without adding it to one of your tabs. To move an app, choose the double arrow icon on the left corner of an app and drag it to the desired location on the tab. To delete an app, click the X button on the right corner of the app. A confirmation request will ask you if you really want to remove the app. Click OK, and the app will disappear. Now, let's look at tabs. If you want to switch between tabs, just click on the title of the tab that you wish to view. Although myBYU comes with a default Home tab, you can add and rename as many other tabs as you would like to your myBYU. To add a new tab, click the plus button located to the right of the tab names. Let's name this tab Classes. Then we need to specify the number of columns in the page layout. We'll select the second 2-column style. Now let's populate our new tab by adding the Course Schedule and Grades app. Any active tab can be modified or deleted except the Home tab. On the tab that you are currently in, click the tab name. This will automatically highlight the name and allow you to change it. Type in a name and hit Enter. To delete a tab, hover over the right-hand corner of the tab name, but don't click on it. Then click the X that appears. Click OK to confirm, and the tab will disappear. You can rearrange the order of your tabs with the exception of the Home tab. On the tab that you are currently in, hover the cursor over the left-hand corner of the tab name. The cursor will change, and you will be able to click and drag the tab to a new location. We hope this short tutorial was helpful, and we appreciate any suggestions you might have. To send us any suggestions or ideas about how we can improve this video tutorial or anything else on myBYU, just use the feedback link found on the myBYU footer. We want to make myBYU your online home.